Hi, in today's video I'm going to be showing you what my April card class is going to be. Now all the details will be on my website applelover53.co.uk, and if you just look for the tab that says monthly class/paper share, but there will also be a direct link under this video on YouTube. If you're on a desktop, click on the show more and you'll find the link. If you're on a mobile, click on the downward little triangle and that will bring up all the details. So in the card class for April, I'm going to be using the Amazing Life stamp set. Now this is a photopolymer stamp set and I've not included a block. So I'm assuming that you will have a block for them or blocks. If you haven't got any blocks and you want to buy some, on the contact page of my website, if you just message me and tell me what blocks you want, I'll send you a PayPal invoice and they can be added to the order. So it's a great stamp set, this. It's got border designs, it's got corner designs and like flourishes and other little small corner designs. Life's Too Short to Say No to Cake, which I have used a couple of times already. The videos may be on my channel already by the time I launch this class. There's a cake. There's Happy Birthday, there's You Are Amazing, so these are separate stamps, so you can stamp them together or keep them separate. You've got Good Luck, I Believe in You. Now, you know, good luck could be anything. Good luck on passing your driving test, I believe in you. Good luck in your new job, anything at all. You've got So Happy to Have You in My Life, which is a nice big stamp. You've got the Shamrock, which, you know, is good to go with the good luck and would have also, I used this in a card that was for like St. Patrick's Day. You've got the little dots, which are always great for, you know, accents. A couple of flourishes, another little kind of flourish corner type thing, and yay. It's a really good stamp set, and the stamps are actually quite big. I mean, this is I'm So Happy to Have You in My Life, and it's, you know, a decent size. Just move that, I've got that stuck on the wrong side. So you're going to get the stamp set. I'm also going to give you one sheet each of the 6x6 double-sided designer series paper, which is from the Subtles collection. So there are 10 colours here. So just in case you want to know what they are, you've got Balmy Blue, Blushing Bride, Calypso Coral, Highland Heather, Mint Macaron, Pear Pizzazz, Petal Pink, Pool Party, So Saffron and Soft Sea Foam. And they've got like a white accent colour. And then if I turn them over, the stripes on the other side. So you're going to get one sheet of each of those, so 10 sheets of 6x6 designer series paper. The stamp set, you're going to get 2 sheets of the A4 thick Whisper White, which will be cut and scored for you, so that will enable you to make 4 cards. You're going to get 2 rows of the basic jewels, so you're going to get 28 rhinestones. You're going to get a yard of the flax ribbon, which is lovely because not only can you use it as a ribbon, you can shred it and use it a bit like a baker's twine. I have used that in another video, which should be on my channel. And you're going to get a blender pen. Now these are in packs of 3, but I thought rather than you having to buy 3, I'm going to just do 1 pen. In addition to that, I'm going to give you some die cut shapes. So you're going to have an oval, a circle, a square and 2 rectangles, and I'm going to give you 2 of each of these. These 2 go together, so that's like 1, 2, 3 and 4, and they'll make you 4 cards. So I'm giving you 2 lots of those, so you'll be able to make the 4 cards, then you'll have another lot spare that you can recreate them again. And I'm going to make a private video showing how to make 4 cards. The die cut shapes and obviously the video are free. The total cost for the class, including signed for, postage and packing, is £32 and 3p. And again, on the page on my website that explains what you're going to get in the card class will be a link for you to pay by PayPal. Now, I will be using a Memento ink pad in my video to stamp the elements of the kit, and I'm also going to be using some coloured ink, but I've not included these in the price because obviously it's going to bump the price up. Again, if you want a Memento, email me and I can add that onto my order for you. And if you want any inks, I will tell you I am going to be using 4 inks that are within this paper kit. So I'm going to be using Balmy Blue, Highland Heather, Granny Apple Green and Blushing Bride and Soft Sea Foam. So I'm going to be using Memento to stamp with and then 4 colours to colour in with the blender pen. But the Memento and the inks are not included. So just to recap, you're going to get the stamp set. You're going to get 1 sheet each of the double-sided 6x6 designer series paper, which is the subtle set. You're going to get 1 blender pen. You're going to get 2 sheets of Whisper White thick, pre-cut and scored for you. You're going to get 28 basic jewels. You're going to get a yard of flax ribbon, and I'm going to do you a video showing how to make 4 cards, and I'm going to provide 2 lots of each of the oval, the circle, the square and the 2 rectangles. And as I say, all that postage signed for is £32 and 3p. Follow the link that will be underneath the video or go directly to my website and look for the monthly paper share / card class, and it will be updated with this April class. And then you can pay by PayPal. It'll only be open for a limited time, so it'll be open until the 12th of April, so it'll be open for 12 days and then I close it off, and then that will give me time to collate the orders, order everything from Stampin' Up, get it delivered to me, package it all up and get it sent out to you before the end of April. So I hope you like it. The cards that I'm going to make are simple-ish cards but nice. You know, it will give you a starting point and then you can take it from there. The cards that I'm going to show you would be great for making a set of 4 and then gifting or selling if you do craft fairs, that kind of thing, because I'm going to be using, you know, several of the greetings. They're not all going to be, you know, good luck or so happy to have you in my life. I'm going to do 1 each of 4. So you're going to get a nice mix. As I say, hop on over to my website, place your order. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.